Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the app is current and you're logged in because older versions hide controls. Next, tap your profile, then the menu icon, then Settings. This is where message privacy lives. Once done, open Privacy and choose Messages. This brings up who can message you, where requests land, and group settings. Do this now so you can change options immediately. It saves time and prevents unexpected message requests from strangers while you continue to the detailed steps. You'll now decide the specific who and how. Pick everyone, people you follow, or followers depending on how open you want your inbox to be. Once selected, tweak message requests so unknown senders go to a separate folder. That reduces noise. Also set group message permissions so non-followers can't add you to groups. Make sure to use restrict or block on repeat offenders. These tools keep conversations private without notifying others, and they shape a calmer inbox. Finish by saving choices and testing them. Ask a friend or use a secondary account to send a message and confirm it appears as a request or is blocked. Then, apply per-chat actions like mute, restrict, or block to specific users for fine control. If settings don't take effect, first clear the app cache and ensure you have the latest update. Uninstalling and reinstalling often resolve stubborn bugs. If problems persist, contact Instagram support, but try those fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.